Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am R. Sriram. Flood alerts across Wales and wind warning. The Met Office issued a yellow warning for rain on Wednesday until 4 p.m, followed by a wind warning for West Wales until Thursday. It said 30 to 40 mm was expected to accumulate quite widely. Dozens of trains were cancelled, roads closed and flood warnings put in place. Mermaid Quay Boardwalk in Cardiff Bay has been closed because of high river levels. This is said to remain the case until at least late on Thursday morning. A wind warning has been extended inland and is affecting counties across Wales. 2 flood warnings, which indicates flooding is expected and that immediate action should be taken, were in place on the River USK from Brecon to Llangwyn and on the River Toy, where some properties between Llandildo and Abergavenny were at risk. More than 40 flood alerts were in place by Wednesday afternoon, according to Natural Resources Wales flooding map. High winds have meant the closure of M48 Severn Bridge. In Pembrokeshire, the A477 Cleddau Bridge was closed to all high-sided vehicles, defined as those with main body or cabin higher than 1.9 meters, but had reopened. The speed limit on the Britannia Bridge, which connects Anglesey to the mainland, has been reduced to 30 miles per hour, that is 48 kilometers per hour, due to high winds. A fallen tree in Gwynedd caused the closure of an A487 in both directions from the A470 Harlech turnoff at Gellidan to the A496 Bethsaida Coed turnoff at Mentrog. Transport for Wales reported 49 train cancellations and warned passengers to check before they travel because of deteriorating weather conditions. A landslip caused the closure of the AA465 heads of the Valleys Road in both directions from the A470 CFN Coed roundabout in Merthyr Tydfil to the B4276 Merthyr Road at Litcoed. Dyfed Powers Police said on X, formerly Twitter, that it was getting a number of calls about standing water on roads in Pembrokeshire. The Met Office predicted 70 to 90 mm of rain on higher grounds in South and West Wales. Almost all of Wales' local authority areas were affected by the rain warning, with the exception of Flintshire and Anglesey. Strong winds will likely exacerbate any impacts from the rain, the Weather Service said. Wind warning areas can expect gusts of 50 to 60 miles per hour and up to 70 miles per hour on high ground and exposed coasts. A Met Office meteorologist said the decision to name Storm Gerrit was to help warn people coming home from Christmas holidays of potential issues. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.